Hi, this is bankruptcy attorney Dan Scott. I want to talk with you today about how to use the bankruptcy system to get your car back after it's been repossessed. I'm Dan Scott. I'm a bankruptcy lawyer, and I practice in Knoxville and Sevierville, Tennessee. We file bankruptcy cases for folks in Knoxville, Sevierville, Jefferson City, or Maryville, Tennessee. Now, it doesn't really matter where you live in any of those cities. Losing your car or truck as a result of a repossession will be a disaster to you and your family. But I've got good news. If your vehicle has been repossessed, all is not lost. If it's been snatched by the repo agent, contact us immediately, because the sooner we become involved, the easier the process is for you, and the more likely we can get the vehicle back for you. Now, we can file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy to give you time to think about whether you want to allow your car to be sold or whether you want to get your car back and pay for it over time as you originally agreed. Once the vehicle is repossessed, a 10-day letter must be sent to anyone who has had their car or truck repossessed prior to the time the creditor could sell the car. In that letter, the creditor will give you the right to buy the car or truck back by paying the full amount of the note plus recovery fees and other costs. After the expiration of the 10-day period, the creditor can sell the vehicle at a private or public sale, and in almost every case, the sales price of your vehicle at the auction will be much less than what's owed on it. As a result, it's not unreasonable to expect a balance due after the sale of $6,000 to $12,000, depending on the circumstances. The creditor has the right to sue you and obtain a judgment for this balance. And in that circumstance, you'd have no wheels because they've gotten pulled, and you'd still owe a big debt. You should move quickly if your car has been repossessed, because most creditors will move fairly quickly to send out the 10-day letter. Now, we can meet with you quickly and begin gathering information necessary to stop that sale. If we file your bankruptcy case within the 10-day period, the sale must be stopped, and the creditor cannot take any other action to dispose of your vehicle. Now, our first step after filing your case is contacting the creditor to negotiate on your behalf for a voluntary return of the vehicle to you. Now, you'll have to provide evidence that the insurance on the vehicle is current, and we will also have to convince the creditor that your Chapter 13 repayment plan is likely to succeed. Now, if the creditor won't voluntarily return the vehicle, we can go into the bankruptcy court and ask the bankruptcy judge to order the creditor to return the vehicle to you. If your car or truck has been repossessed, act now to contact bankruptcy attorney Dan Scott. We file Chapter 7, Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases for residents of Knoxville, Sevierville, Jefferson City, Maryville, and surrounding counties. And as I've illustrated here, a Chapter 13 case will stop a sale of your vehicle and allow you time to cure a default and keep your vehicle. Now, for more information, contact me at 865-246-1050, or you can visit us on the web at www.scottlawgroup.com. Also, I've got another set of videos similar to this one that you can get at www.danwillhelp.com. I'd love to give those to you. Thanks. I hope you found this helpful. Come visit us over at www.danwillhelp.com.